So we have to solve this question which is given to us. So in this question we are basically going to use four formulas, which will be cos 3x equals 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, sin 3x equals 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, sin cube x equals 1 upon 4 3 sin x minus sin 3x, cos cube x equals 1 upon 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Yeah, our four formulas which we have to use in this question. So in order to solve, we will then write 1 upon 4 cos 3 pi by 8 plus 3 cos pi by 8 on substituting, cos 3 pi by 8 plus 1 upon 4 into 3 sin pi by 8 minus sin 3 pi by 8 into sin 3 pi by 8. So now this will become 1 upon 4 cos square 3 pi by 8 plus 3 by 4 cos pi by 8 cos 3 pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 4 sin pi by 8 sin 3 pi by 8 minus 1 upon 4 sin square 3 pi by 8. Then it will be 1 upon 4 cos 6 pi by 8, which we can reduce to 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 cos 3 pi by 8 upon 3 pi by 8 minus pi by 8, which we can say 2 pi by 8, and then the 2 pi by 8 will cancel out to be pi by 4. So after that we can just say that it is 1 upon, on solving that, minus 1 upon 4 root 2 plus 3 upon 4 root 2. So we will finally get 1 upon 2 root 2, and as you can see we have 1 upon 2 root 2 and it is b.